Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to control Android phone from your PC or laptop. Let's begin. First, I want you to look up for this website. It's going to be SCRCPY. This is what you're going to use in order to perform this. So go ahead, click on this very specific website, scrcpy.org, click on it. Then scroll down. You should have the option to select which exe depending on your OS. So I'm going to click on download over here. Going to close the ad and scroll down. You will see we have Windows, a Mac, and Linux. Once you've successfully downloaded the exe file, like I have it over here, going to open it, just make sure to extract the file. And this is what the extracted file looks like. Now, before we proceed and running the exe, I want you to go ahead and enable the developer option or developer options in your Android phone. So you can go to your Android settings, and it should look like this, all right? However, if this option is not showing up on your settings, you can go to your About phone and tap on the build number at least 7 to 8 times. That should enable the developer mode in your Androids. Then you can now go back and make sure to enable USB debugging. This one, USB debugging. Then once done, it should show up on your system that you have your USB debugging enabled and have the option to use the USB tethering, just like this option over here. So go ahead, turn it on or enable it. And once you're done, I want you to go back to your PC and run the exe file as the admin. And it should be similar to the website, how it looks like. Let me see the interface like this. Once you successfully run the exe file, it will automatically connect and you should now be able to control your PC using your Android device. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.